Welcome to Vertota Cook. Today we're making a high-protein cottage cheese veggie bake, a hearty, wholesome dish straight from the Italian countryside. In a rustic stone kitchen, where sunlight streams through wooden shutters and the aroma of fresh vegetables and herbs fills the air, we begin. You'll need 2 cups of fresh cottage cheese, 3 large farm eggs, 1 cup of hand-shredded cheddar cheese, 1 grated zucchini, half a red pepper diced, broccoli florets, a small onion finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 grated carrot, and a blend of sea salt, cracked black pepper, dried oregano and paprika, plus a tablespoon of village olive oil. Heat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit and brush a ceramic baking dish generously with olive oil. In a large earthenware bowl, whisk together the cottage cheese and eggs until smooth and creamy. Add the zucchini, red pepper, broccoli, onion, carrot, and garlic. Mix everything together well with a wooden spoon. Stir in the hand-shredded cheddar cheese, then season with sea salt, cracked black pepper, dried oregano, and paprika. Pour the mixture into your prepared dish and smooth the top into an even, level layer. Slide it into the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the top is golden and the bake is fully set. Let it rest for a few minutes, then slice into portions. This beautiful bake serves 4 to 6 people. Serve warm with crusty bread and a simple tomato salad. A wholesome, protein-rich meal the whole family will love. Thank you for cooking with Vertota Cook. Buon appetito!